Are you still using the troublesome and laborious traditional can openers? Many families nearby all use electric can openers. It only takes 3 steps. Put the batteries in, then put it on the can and press the switch. It can completely free your hands without delay. Not only can you open all kinds of cans, but there is also a variety of styles for you to choose from. Why not choose the electric one?
Time. We all get a limited amount on this planet, and yet we spend 4,000 hours of our lives washing dishes. This is Capsule, a new way of doing things. Capsule is the result of 4 years of exhaustive research and development. We studied multiple cookware, tableware and kitchens from small households and offices. From that, we determined a unique architecture that best adapts to any environment, takes minimal space, yet fits large items. We don't believe in storing dirty dishes for days. Capsule takes care of that in just 15 minutes. We call it meal wash, as in washing right after a meal and having a tidy kitchen, apartment and office always. Capsule's form factor provides a tight space to wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly, improves water flow and airflow through each item, and makes it much easier to carry around. But we didn't stop there. We worked with academics to add medical-grade UV light disinfection for your phone, face masks and more. Only a handful of products get to create a new product category. The personal music player, the personal computer. After Capsule, the dishwasher will never be the same ever again. Get back 4,000 hours of your life to go out there, to explore, to experience, to love, to make every minute count.
Are your kitchen drawers starting to look like a bad garage sale? Steamers, rice cookers, roasters, slow cookers, and just how many pots and pans does one kitchen really need? And every time you cook, cleanup's a disaster. Scraping, scrubbing, what a chore. What if you could replace all this with one single non-stick pan? Introducing Copper Chef, the non-stick all-round square pan. With Ceramutech, Copper Chef with extra deep sides replaces a roasting pan, a rice cooker, a steamer, a stock pot, a wok, and a baking dish. What's the secret? Copper Chef's innovative stainless steel induction plate heats the pan quickly and evenly, with no hot spots, so you can sear meat in a flash. Plus, your Copper Chef pan features Ceramutech. That means nothing will stick to your pan. And because you're cooking with ceramic non-stick, you don't have to add all that extra fat and butter. Get your very own all-round Copper Chef non-stick square pan, and that's not all. We'll include this handy steam rack. Create a healthy and flavorful meal by steaming fish and vegetables. It's also an amazing roasting rack. Cook a roast to juicy perfection. There's also a versatile fry basket. Use it to make French fries, fried chicken, or make golden crisp fish and chips in minutes. You can even use it as a colander, and it makes the perfect pasta cooker. And we're still not done. We're also including Eric's Gourmet Cookbook. These recipes have been created especially for the Copper Chef system. They are incredible.
Innova Precision Cooker, the redesigned model of our best-selling signature sous vide immersion circulator. Powerful enough to cook a meal for the whole family. Cook from anywhere with Wi-Fi connectivity and the Innova app. The removable adjustable clamp will fit any cooking pot or container. The Innova Precision Cooker is easy to use. Place your food in a sealable bag. Set your Innova Precision Cooker to the desired time and temperature using the manual controls or the Innova app. Place your sealed food into the pot. Innova will let you know when your food has reached edge-to-edge perfection. When cooking protein, finish with a quick sear for the desired texture. The Innova Precision Cooker is built to last, with a splash-proof body. The removable clamp and metal skirt are dishwasher safe.
Why is it so hard to cook perfect eggs? When you need a lot of them, they pop and explode in the water, omelets are hard to flip, and poached eggs can really become a disaster. Hi, I'm Eric Thies, and this is the Copper Chef Perfect Egg Maker. Now you can make perfect eggs every time. There are two 7-egg cooking racks, so you can make as many as 14 perfect hard-boiled or soft-boiled eggs all at one time. Or make 4 perfect poached eggs or 2 completely different omelets at the same time. Plus there's a pre-marked measuring cup. Simply choose the type of egg you want and fill the water to that line.
The secret is Perfect Egg Maker's Egg Right technology that circulates the heat and steam evenly. When the light turns off, your eggs are ready with perfect consistency.
If you're only cooking for 1 or 2, remove the extender wall and just cook on the lower level. Keep a bowl of hard-boiled eggs in the fridge for a healthy, high-protein snack, or mix an entire party platter of deviled eggs. Make delicious egg and cheese breakfast sandwiches or elegant eggs Benedict.